Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this automatic cat litter robot that this brand sent to me for the video. We have Mini here right now. We have 4 cats at home, and all of them have been trying them, and one of them is the only one. Oh, this is the one actually. Tiger, he's the only one that he's not super familiar with it, but the other ones have been trying it and they like it so far. So I'm gonna try to show everything to you on a close-up in a few seconds, as well as how it works and everything that comes with this one. Bottom line, this one is number one, really easy to use. Number two, it's really easy to clean. It cleans by itself, of course, but also when you have to disassemble it just to clean everything, it is super easy as well. And number three, and most important, it also comes with an app, so you can actually use the app to monitor everything that your cats are behaving with the cat litter and everything that is happening, and how many times they're going and how many times they're cleaning. I can't show you the app today because I'm using my phone, but trust me, it is super easy to install for every iOS and also Android system. And of course, it is also super easy to use like this one. This right here is the whole unit, and let me actually show you everything that comes with first. So it comes with 2 packs of bags. You're gonna have like plenty of bags to use this one right here, because the bags goes in the back. I'm gonna show that one to you as I was telling you before. It also comes with this shovel just to scoop everything. It also comes with this to clean, of course, this right here. It also comes with this brush to clean, and the 2 most important things are these ones right here. It comes with a quick started guide, so this is what you're gonna use for installation. But if you want to give like a in-deep read to everything, including the app and everything else, you're gonna use the user manual. It is super good to read, to understand everything, and also to install the app. And this is one of the most important things. I'm going to show them to you in a close-up in a few seconds. In the inside, if you have, for example, male cats, their pee kind of like a little too high. So you're going to have these 3M adhesives to actually put it in the actual lines that connects everything. So nothing is coming out when they're kind of like peeing against the wall. Nothing is coming out from the actual device. So why don't you take kind of like a closer look right now? So here's one of the first things that I wanted to show you right here on a closer look. These are going to be the adhesive parts that you're going to put to avoid anything to coming out, any liquids to actually coming out. So these are really good to have. Right here, this tray is the one that you're going to use, and you're going to hit this. This beep right here is telling you that something is happening with the device, so you can actually pay attention to it. It has a min and a max quantity, the cat litter that you can put. So you're gonna put this right here and make sure that everything is in place. So once you're good there, this is perfect. And remember, this works with cat litter, regular cat litter, clamping, and also crystals. So it has a lid. You can actually remove the lid, and then you're gonna see that it comes with a really nice UV light. Let me actually show you the inside. So here's how the inside looks. You're gonna see that UV light that you can actually turn off if you don't want to, and if you don't want to have the UV light on. So that is really good. And one more time, remember, you have the app to control this, but these are the manual buttons. You're going to have the cleaning mode first, then the sleep mode, then the turn on and off the light, and then the full cleaning cycle on the last one. And here's where you're going to actually manage the waste. Right here is the place that you're going to use the bags to actually remove this whole tray over here. By the way, it also comes with this, which is an odor control lid, which I think it's fantastic just to have with this pieces of silicone. So you're going to remove this whole thing with the bag, making sure that it has perfect placing right there. Close it up, and then let's actually see how it works. So as you can see over there, I had set up a few fakes, number 1 there, but remember, this manage number 1 and number 2, of course. So let's actually press the button. Remember, you can always use the app. So this lid, I'm going to leave it open so you can see how the rake comes and drops everything in the bag. But basically, you press this button over here just once, or remember, you can always use the app. This lid on the front closes, so the rake can actually start like cycling through the whole thing. So you're gonna see a green halo light right here, meaning that this is working that way. So then you're gonna see that this is gonna come, actually lift the other control and drop everything on the back. And it's not gonna do it just one, it's actually gonna do it twice, just to make sure that the cycling is working perfectly and you don't have anything, any type of waste right here on the inside. Remember, this is the first button to clean. You have the sleep button over there, and you also have the turn on and off the light. And this one right here, the last one, is the one that you're gonna use for cleaning the whole thing, like the whole cycle with the tray and everything. So this is the second time, just making sure that you don't have any waste behind. So as you can see over there, the only thing left for you to do is just like open that lid over there, grab the bag, close it, replace the bag, and you are ready to go. Let's take a look on the front. Pretty much clean over there. So that was super, super seamless. Remember, you have the app to control everything, but this is so easy to use. So I think the best thing for you to do is when you're going to replace the litter for this one, for this automatic cat robot, the best thing is going to be for leave it off until your cats get kind of like acquainted to this one. Don't turn it on, just leave it off and put it in the same place that you have the other one before. And once that you're done, then kind of like start to introduce them super nice and easy, because this one is going to be a before and after on your cleaning routine. Number one or number two, this one can manage it no problem. I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.